Good morning, students. Today's our topic is relation. This is day 2, and we will do exercise 2.2. A relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is the subset of Cartesian product of set A cross B. For example, if I will, if you are writing A cross B, then the subset of A cross B is the relation. For example, if I will take A, Dashrath and Ravan. For example, if I will consider a set A whose elements are Dashrath and Ravan, set B whose elements are Ram, Lakshman and Meghnath, so it is clearly shows that Ram and Lakshman are the son of Dashrath, whereas Meghnath is the son of Ravan. So relation is, in this case the relation is a father of या son of from B to A or father of A to B. Note the first element in ordered pair in relation R. If I will write Dashrath Ram, Dashrath and Ram, then Dashrath will be the domain. And second element means if you are writing XY in brackets, if you are writing suppose x and y in Cartesian product, then first entry of Cartesian product x is termed as domain and second entry is taken as range. So the first element in ordered pair in relation R is called domain and second element is called range. The whole set B is called codomain. This whole B set is called codomain. Visual representation, how you can represent in arrow diagram. A visual representation is Dashrath is related to Ram and Dashrath is related to Lakshman. Dashrath is the father of Ram and Lakshman. Ravan is related to Meghnath because Ravan is the father of Meghnath. Now in exercise 2.2, the first question is a set is given A with element 1, 2 and 14. You have to define a relation xy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0 is satisfied where x and y both are from A. Let me calculate, it's quite simple. Y, if you rearrange y is equal to 3x, means if you put x is equal to 1 then y will be 3. If you put x is equal to 2, y will be 6. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So maximum is 12. We can't put 5 because 5 3s are 15 and 15 is not in A. So therefore these are the four elements of this relation. So domain will be first entries 1, 2, 3 and 4 and codomain will be whole set. Codomain will be whole set A and range will be the second entries 3, 6, 9 and 12. Question number third is relation R is given. In question number third, relation R is given xy. Relation R is given xy such that the difference between x and y is odd, where A and B are given. So R is a relation from A to B and difference of x and y. X is from A. So this minus this should be odd. 1 minus 4, 3. 3 is odd. You have to take the positive sign only. 1 minus 6, 5. 5 minus 5. So 5. 5 is odd. 1 minus 9, 8. 8 is even. So we can't take. So you have to subtract 1 1 माइनस 4 1 4 3 हो गया इसका डिफरेंस, 1 6 हो गया, 2 9 होगा अकेला क्योंकि 2 माइनस 4 इज़ 2 एंड 2 इज़ इवन, 2 माइनस 6 इज़ 4 4 इज़ इवन नहीं लेंगे, 2 माइनस 7 9 माइनस 7 सो 2 एंड 9, देन 3 4 3 6 3 4 एंड 3 6, 3 और 9 का डिफरेंस 6 हो जाएगा, वो इवन हो जाएगा वो नहीं लेना, देन 5 4 लेना है, 1 आ गया डिफरेंस, 5 6 लेना है डिफरेंस 1 आ गया ऑड है, 5 9 नहीं लेना क्योंकि डिफरेंस इवन है, हमें डिफरेंस ऑड चाहिए, सो आवर सेट विल बी 1 4 1 6, इनका डिफरेंस आप चेक कर लो, द डिफरेंस विल बी ऑड 3 4 3 6 5 4 5 6 and so on. Then question number 4 is, you are given a set P and Q in array form 5 6 and 7 3 4 and 5, and you have to write this relation in set builder form and roster form. So relation is R is from P to Q, relation R is from P to Q. Now if we check, 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So the difference of the elements from P to Q is 2. So the set will become, relation will become xy such that x minus y is 2, where x is from P and y is from Q. 5 minus 3 2, 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 5 2. So relation is this, this will be the roster form and this will be the set builder form, and second, this is roster form, set builder form, and second is you have to find domain and range. First entries of ordered pair in relation 5 6 and 7, this is domain, range is 3 4 and 5. Come to question number 6. In question number 6 you have to, in question number 6, determine domain and range of a function defined by x plus 1 x plus 5, where x belongs to 0 1 2 3 4 5. We have to determine domain and range of this relation. Now x is, if x is 0, the second will be 0 plus 5. X is 1, the second element will be 6, 2 7, 3 8, 4 9, 5 10. So we have to write this all relation in roster form. So domain will be the first entry 0 1 2 3 4 5, and range will be the second entries 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Question number 7. Then the question number 7 is, write the relation R x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10. So prime number less than 10 is 2, 3, 5 and 7. These are the 4 prime numbers which are less than 10. We have to write a relation x cube. So relation 2 2 cube, 3 3 cube, 5 5 cube, 7 7 cube. So it will be 2 8, 3 27, 5 125, 7 343. So thank you. This is all about today. Do exercise 2.